Hi guys, and in today's video, we are going to do a video about this game. This might be my luckiest game yet. So, two beavers. Start off with two beavers and an ant. We're up against the desperate ponies. And we are the desperate ponies. We're up against the discombobulated musicians. Back ant? What? What? Like, what are you thinking? Back ant? I just hard rolled for an ant and I didn't get it. We're up against Big Haak 22 with a hopeful feat. What? Hopeful feat. Okay. Draw. Well, at least you didn't lose any lives. Here we go. This is one of the first lucky parts. So, elephant, then camel. At turn 3, by the way. Turn 3. Look at this. This is how we dominated them. Yeah, and they even have mosquito. That's such a terrible matchup, man. Oh my gosh. Gosh. And then we got elephant, worm. I just took worm. I don't know why. And then end my turn. We're up against the discombobulated musicians. So yeah, we win against this team as well. Of course, we got elephant camel turn 3. What did you expect? And then I sold my peacock for the ox. Because the ox gains melon. Gains melon before it attacks. What? Look at this. Look at this. Dude. My 19 at the back is just gonna clean up your entire squad. Entire squad. So, the next one, we got skunk. We are so lucky. Like, dude, we got skunk and then we got like elephant camel. What's next? Look at this. Dude, it's so broken, man. My squad is so broken for like turn 6. like we went, dude. Like, good thing Camel's getting nerfed. But I mean, even with like it getting nerfed, I feel like this team would still dominate. Okay, what's next? We're gonna level up the Camel here next turn. This team is just me but worse. Like this team is just me but worse. Like, really. Like, look at this. Dude. This team is just me at worst. Me but worst. Which is pretty bad. And now, we level up to cow. If that was monkey, dude, that would have been crazier. Look at that. And we even got turtle pill. It's crazy how we're getting so lucky. This guy running a bison, this guy feels like he's playing 2022 stop with the worm rabbit bison strat, and then cat. Like, that's insane. Like, look at this. 2 sushis as well. Dude. Yeah, other teams didn't have a chance. Really. Like, when I got elephant camel, they didn't stand a chance. Look at this. Dude. We don't even need to use like you don't even need to like use our 3638 ox. It's insane that we have like a 3638 ox and I just bought canned food even though I'm not gonna have like other shoppets. Look at this. This guy is pretty smart. He literally destroyed my backline. This guy destroyed my backline. Yeah, he won. That's crazy. He destroyed my backline. Well, now you can't destroy my backline because like I literally just like made my backline better. But still, that was a great plan. Like early game. But now, yeah, there's no way. There's no way you're gonna win. Yeah, look at this. Dude. 38-36 unit with melon armor. That's insane, man. Yeah. We just got so lucky in this game, man. Like, I got all of what I wanted. I even bought canned food again. Look at this. Big hack. Okay. He missed by 1. So, I still get like 8 stats. 16 stats, actually. Dude. Dude, the Ox? Man, yeah. Dude, just dominated. Really, just dominated the freak out because of luck. So, that's the end of the video. Bye!